Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make cocktail dip. So let's get started. First take 2 to 3 tablespoons of thick homemade mayonnaise. Well, we have made mayonnaise before, so I'm adding the link in the description below. You can check it out there. Now let's add tomato ketchup to it and add just a little bit of red chili sauce. Mix these three ingredients well. You can eat this with french fries, burgers, pizzas. So now your homemade cocktail dip is ready to be served.